Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is 26 flowers that bloom all year round or permanent flowering plants. Roses bloom fragrant flowers and come in a wide variety of color tones. The Indian climate favors the growing conditions, and varieties like Desi rose and Kashmiri rose bloom year round. Lantana. It is a tropical evergreen shrub and produces white, yellow, orange, pink, and red in clusters. This shrub loves well draining soil and thrives well in warm climates. Adenium, popularly known as desert rose. Adenium is a gorgeous flowering plant and ideal for bonsai gardeners. You can grow it indoors as well as outdoors in plastic pots to enjoy its year round flowers. Bougainvillea. Enjoy a year round flower vista by growing bougainvillea in your garden. You can plant them in containers or ground cover. They are drought tolerant and also need less care. Hibiscus, Indian name Guddal ke Phool. Also known as rose mallow, the hibiscus plant is known for its colorful, lovely flowers in the shade of white, yellow, red. It makes an ornamental addition to your garden by blooming year round. Ixora. Ixora comes in delightful red, yellow, and bright orange shades and grow easily without any extra care and maintenance. Its Indian name is Rigamini. Chrysandra. Chrysandras are amazing perennial flowers and bloom in rich, loamy, and well draining soil. People also call this plant firecracker flower as it blooms orange and red color flowers. You can also grow them indoors. Clanche. Clanche is a beautiful succulent plant with flat green leaves and small pretty flowers. They can be grown indoor as well as outdoor and add a colorful hue to your garden. Christ plant, Indian name Miley. Native to Madagascar, this plant is known by other names like crown of thorns and Christ thorn. It is a perennial shrub with green leaves and pretty tiny flowers that you can adore all months. Taibok China, popularly known as princess flower. This plant features stunning purple fluorescent flowers and green glossy leaves. It blooms heavily in summer and grow up to 10 to 15 feet. Jasmine. Grow jasmine and fill your garden with its mesmerizing fragrance. It is evergreen perennial shrub with iconic herbal properties. You can pinch off the growing tips of plant if you want a bushy growth. Golden trumpet. Native to Brazil and South America, this is a delightful flowering plant with green leaves and trumpet-shaped yellow flowers. It also produces a poisonous milky sap, so keep children and pets away. Butterfly pea. Butterfly pea is strikingly beautiful plant with large flowers in the shades of cobalt blue and white. In India, it holds quite significance, and people offer this flower to Lord Shiva. Begonia. Begonias are lovely plants and feature simple yet elegant white and pink flowers. They look equally delightful in containers and garden flower beds. Verbena. Verbena is one of the best flowers that bloom year round. It blossoms in the shades of rose, purple, lavender, pink, dew, and white. These flowering plants can grow up to 4 to 6 feet. Marble of Peru, also known as 4 o'clock marble of Peru, blooms red, white, yellow, and pink trumpet-shaped flowers throughout the year. Gardeners grow this plant for its pleasing fragrance and easy to care nature. Periwinkle. Periwinkle is evergreen plant and grow easily in a variety of environmental conditions. It is also drought resistant and look amazing in the garden. Villagers in India grow this plant to control soil erosion. Leadworts. The other name of the evergreen shrub is plumbago. Its sky blue color flowers and bright green leaves will add a unique vibe to your outdoor space. It is also an excellent foundation plant. Plumera. Plumera is India's most beloved garden plant and widely grown in tropical and subtropical climates. It blooms fragrant and beautiful colors in a variety of shades and a treat to eyes. Water lily. Try growing water lilies if you have a small pond in the garden. You will add a magical and tropical touch to the look of your outdoor space. Oleander. People grow oleander for its soothing fragrance and delightful hue. It can easily tolerate tough growing conditions like high pH, hard soil, excessive heat. The flowers bloom in clusters. Marigold. Marigold will add the hue of sunshine in your garden with its bright yellow color. Flowers. These flowers hold the highest honor in India and used widely for religious and social ceremonies. King's mantle. Native to Africa, king's mantle is planted in India for its eye-catching purple blue flowers. With the white tube, you can also easily propagate them with the help of cuttings and layering. Mozenda. Mozenda is an evergreen shrub and belongs to Rubiaceae family. It blooms in a wide range of colors including red, yellow, white and pink. Canna lily. Give your garden a colorful look by growing these flowers. They are hardy, easy to grow and have more than 10 species with popular ones being indica, fleckida and lutea. Jatropha, also known as Peregrina jatropha, is an evergreen shrub with glossy leaves. It boasts star-shaped flowers in pleasing shades of pink and red. So friends, this is all of the topic. Hope you like the video. If you like this type of information, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.